Hi guys, welcome back to Winnfrey's kitchen where we cook delicious meals and are very easy to prepare. If you're new here, karibu sana, and feel free to press the notification button down below so once I upload a video you will be able to be notified. Before we get into today's video, let's talk about this cool sweatshirt that I am wearing. Tunda.ke is a new Kenyan brand that is about making you feel connected and sophisticated. Check out their page in the description box below if you want a Tunda.ke hoodie, t-shirt, polo shirt, cape, or a sweatshirt like the one that I am wearing. Speaking of Tunda, today we'll be preparing mango salad. Twende kazi. For the ingredients, we need 2 medium-sized mangoes, which will make the body of our salad, 2 large tomatoes, 1 medium-sized onion, 1 large cucumber, coriander leaves, 2 medium-sized lemons. Every salad needs a dressing, and to prepare the dressing we need lemon juice squeezed from the lemons, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, black pepper and salt to taste. And in this case, I used herbal sea salt. Before we begin, we need to ensure that all our ingredients and our hands are clean. Peel the mangoes and dice them into sizable square shapes and add them in your bowl. Dice the tomatoes and ensure that the size is uniform and then add them in your bowl. Peel the sides of the cucumber, then dice them into sizable square shapes and also add this to your bowl. Finely chop the onion into thin julienne shape as you do not want big chunks of onion in your salad. Lastly, chop the coriander and then add this to the mixture. Mix all the ingredients in your bowl thoroughly using 2 spoons and ensure that all the ingredients can be seen. Put this aside and prepare your dressing. In a small dish, squeeze the lemon juice and then add the olive oil, honey, sea salt, and black pepper. Mix this thoroughly, then pour it in your salad. Mix this well and our salad is ready. This salad is very quick and easy to make, healthy, yummy, and very nutritious, guys. Try it today and let me know in the comment section below how yours turned out. That's all we had for you today. Be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to Winnfrey's Kitchen for more of these quick, easy and delicious homemade recipes. Till next time, annyeong!